Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Lexus GX 460. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Lexus infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power front seats, a headlight cleaning system, illuminated running boards, rain-sensing wipers, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.